The universe dispersed mass, traverses space, time past, space expanding mad fast. Stars made of light and gas, cosmos with billions of stars gleaming.
These are the events that brought us wolves into being.
New time, new time. Now you know our names, and you know we train to wax poetic and wane with superior brain. Evolution's tame, our instincts we aim to wax poetic and wane with our superior brain. For years we ask how, but we should ask why.
Below a canopy of nebulas in the sky,
Orbiting matter, inspiring thought.
and in this perfect vacuum,
Our
are pale blue dots.
New time, new time, new time, new time. Newton will explain the knowledge we gain to wax poetic and wane with our superior brain. Evolution's tame, our instincts we aim to wax poetic and